Njengoba sishilo siHollywood Durban July njengamanje sesibone the leader of Economic Freedom Fighters Mnumzane Julius Silo Malema na usethelekile khona la Hollywood Durban July but unfortunately asikwazanga ukuthi siye sixoxe naye ngoba phela usema kodwa bafethu ukuphi na ungafiki Hollywood Durban July uzobona fethu sitholapha isebenza kwesinye sama radio stations bafethu seyithelekile nazo kuzoba mnandi kakhulu so lesikutshela nje ukuthi obani sibabonayo obani abakhona khona la ku Hollywood Durban July. Asinibingelele Mukelo Khaya TV sikhona la ku Hollywood Durban July. Uyabona nje bafethu the marvels of uMzansi side lami ziyahephena zimnandi mfethu lo muntu needs no introduction la bafethu awedingi introduction ku screen sakho uhlezi ubabona mfethu ama soaps kakhulu ama short stories amaningi kakhulu stage bafethu kumnandi kakhulu khona kithi asikubingelele
mfethu uyaphila
siyakubingelela mfethu awusiphi igama la ngempela nje mfethu
igama usipho uhlawa luthuli uMadlandweni uzobaza kudambela umshibe kaNonopha khona umunye sisokwathi kumina fihli mama intombi zimthanda njengo cash send
nakuya asibuye sizakama mfana kithi asikubingelele mfethu usiphi igama liqondile khona kithi
Showcase bethandarana MK Music lo bathu cheese boy waselokishini DJ oculayo Mphemba lo Sompisi uDlambula uKhuboni Showcase
bafethu the marvels of uMzansi i-team yakulonyaka by the looks ayibafethu mina angikhala
cha mfethu yazi lento ibaluleke kakhulu because I think yona event la eThekwini le abantu abahlezi beyibhekile and I was shocked ukuthi khona abantu abaqala ukuyiprepare unyaka mawuqala so can you imagine makukhona umuntu oinvesta isikhathi sakhe singaka to event ekanje uyabona ukuthi wonke umuntu usikile so nathi sisemfethu nomfowethu la ake sibone ake siyibambe sibone ukuthi simisa kanjani kodwa bengafanele ukuthi sibheke phansi asibheke phezulu njengawo wonke umuntu ohamba la
ayivala kithi nilula lathi waBrazil nje
no
mina ngiyasaba ukuthi avuka manje mina ngeke kawo yabona mina mfethu ngishaya iMarvels encane mfethu ngishaya iSoul Brothers
bambala abantu abana wena neSoul Brothers hayibo ushiya kanjani uMandela
okusukuthi mina kukhona ngibizwa ngalento lelo ukuthi ulanda ingdi ube indale kade zagcina uqoqa
kade zagcina uqoqa throwback
i-throwback okusukuthi mina ngishitshile iTeam ngathi throwback
Showcase
khawula kithi abantu mfethu abangakwazi abaqala ukubona bangathola kuphethu ukuze bakulandele zonke into zakho zenzayo
Showcase at MK_music on socials MKAY_music fethu Gaga CFM Friday Saturday uyasithola ebusuku sabafana bomsindo lalela iKZN siphethe kanje
khawula kithi asibuyele kuwena ma socials umsebenzi zonke izinto
kulula kakhulu mina mfethu kuma socials wonke it's at the real Siphokuhle Luthuli otherwise so yazi mfethu ukuthi ke uyangithola kuzalo naseGagasi njengoba eshilo mfethu senze umsindo take off
thank you very much the marvels of Mzansi bayibambile bafethu team aziyeke mbuyele ekhaya ngoba ngikutshela ukuthi sikhona la ku Hollywood Durban July sinomfethu lana uzosichazela kabanzi ke umuzwa wakhe uthini ke ekhona la ku Hollywood July sibingelele mfethu
Bingelele mfethu njani
siyabingelela sikhuluma ba
usanele mfethu kaMsweli
usanele Msweli mfethu ithini lesinto ukhona la ku Hollywood Durban
mfethu ngiyafika nje manje kodwa nje uyabona ukuthi hayi kuyaphilwa abantu bahle yonke into ihamba kahle uyabona siyongena kwimarquee we just can't wait to start having fun
iphi marquee yakho qhawe
yehalisi mfethu VIP
qhawula kithi ubhetshile
ngibangisa ubheja ngaphakathi
umoqa ubhetshela liphi qhawe
ngizocheka bese mangifika ngaphakathi ngoba ngakaboni kahle yabo ngiyafika ngizowale kude empangeni so
okay
so ngena ngaphakathi ngiyoshaya ubumnandi sibona abantu
mobheka qhawe nje bhothi look yakho ubambile the marvels of uMzansi
but I decided to go into brown because there's a color that represents Africa. You know, we are but children of the soil. So that's why I said no, I'll stick with the brown. But again, I always go for into with team first find out so before things go if I know brown one give me right.
Okay. But again, very too cool kakhulu for call again. Sabonga mfethu. Thank you very much.
there seems to be a confusion with our table namings. Afraid we are in South Africa.